my gosh.
Oh yes, you're gonna need that. You're gonna need that.
You are glowing.
It is my best kept secret, guys.
I need to know.
Glow Recipes Watermelon Vanity Set.
Welcome to You Need This. I'm Melanie, and this is the Glow Goddess herself.
Darlene here. This is changing the game for skincare. Honestly, I'm obsessed. I know you've heard of Glow Recipe.
Oh, absolutely.
They are killing the game with all things skincare. All of their products are so amazing. They're clean, they're free of, parabens and nasty sulfates, all the bad stuff.
It's amazing. All of the packaging is reusable, so you don't have to feel bad about things kind of going into a wasteland.
We gotta talk about what's going on with the actual products because, guys, you're gonna thank us once you start using it. It's gonna change the game with your makeup. The first thing I would like to say is peep this little beauty here, the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Basically, you wake up like Sleeping Beauty looking like a stunner, but I just have to tell you a little bit about some of the products that go into it. So if you don't know, watermelon is actually amazing for your skin. It is full of like amino acids. This particular product has hyaluronic acid in it as well, and it's super hydrating. So you take 2 little dollops. It comes with this little spatula here, and you put it on overnight. If you just take a look, it's just so gloopy, but like delicious and smoothing. Also, what's cool is that you don't have to use it as a sleep-in mask. You can just use it as a 10-minute mask and then boom, instant glow.
That leads me to what I'm really excited about. We have this amazing banana souffle moisture cream, and I love this. It's full of magnesium, there's potassium. It kind of smells like a banana pudding, which I am very much here for. This is a really lightweight moisturizing cream, so I use it before I put on my makeup every morning. A little goes a long way, but it is something that you will come back to time and time again. It just drinks right into your skin.
Smell it from here.
It smells amazing. I love. Okay, but talking about smelling amazing, we have something on this table that I live and breathe for.
Guys, we have here the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. Now, I don't know about you, but whenever I put on like some misters, like I feel like I'm getting like attacked by the spray or something. But like if you take a look at how this works, it's just like so fine. It's just
mist.
84% of this product is actually real watermelon. That goes for the same for the watermelon mask as well. It feels like you're literally standing on the edge of like the Titanic with the mist in your face. Like, I'm Rose, we're getting in that gorgeous glow.
Hopefully Leonardo DiCaprio is standing behind you.
That'd be great.
Also, one of the things I love about this is it has lots of AHAs, alpha hydroxy acid, which is used for exfoliating, keeping your skin clear. It helps to even out skin tone.
So, it takes away all those free radicals.
Yeah, girl. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and try this on.
Let's play with this a little bit more.
Yeah, this needs to happen. We'll see you later on. You need this. In the meantime, I'm trying to look like the sun.
I don't even know what, I wanna use all of the things.